Let's talk digital money strategy. In today's rapidly evolving financial landscape, understanding the nuances of digital currencies is more crucial than ever. We're not just talking about a fleeting trend. We're discussing a fundamental shift in how we perceive and interact with money. The big players in crypto? We're talking about the established cryptocurrencies, the ones that dominate headlines and trading volumes. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a host of others have paved the way, creating a digital gold rush of sorts. They're like returning champions, the early adopters, the tech-savvy investors, and the institutional giants who recognize the potential of blockchain technology early on. They've built empires on this new frontier, exclusive, resource-heavy, requiring significant computational power and financial investment to participate in the mining and validation processes. And tough to join. The barriers to entry are substantial, often requiring specialized knowledge, expensive equipment, and access to cheap electricity. Most people are left out, unable to participate in the mining process or afford the high initial investment required to acquire significant amounts of these cryptocurrencies. Watching from the sidelines, observing the fluctuations in value and the fortunes being made and lost, but without a real opportunity to get involved. But then, a new tribe arrives, a different kind of digital currency emerges, one that seeks to democratize access to the world of cryptocurrency. The Pi network. It represents a fresh perspective, a new approach to digital currency that prioritizes accessibility and inclusivity. Pi flips the script, challenging the established norms and offering a more equitable way for individuals to participate in the digital economy. No supercomputers, no tech wizardry required. It's designed to be user-friendly and accessible to anyone with a smartphone. Just your smartphone. The device you already carry in your pocket becomes your gateway to the world of Pi. Download the app, a simple and straightforward process that anyone can complete in a matter of minutes. Tap once a day, a minimal commitment that allows you to actively participate in the Pi network. And you're mining Pi. It's a revolutionary approach that democratizes the mining process, making it accessible to the masses. It's about commitment, not resources. Your daily participation and contribution to the network are what drive the Pi ecosystem. This simple approach has drawn millions worldwide, creating a global community of individuals who are passionate about the future of digital currency, all united as pioneers. They are the driving force behind the Pi network, contributing to its growth and development. Pi's strength is its community, a vibrant and engaged network of individuals who are committed to building a more inclusive financial future. Ordinary people, all with a voice. Everyone has the opportunity to contribute to the conversation and shape the direction of the Pi network. It's a social experiment, a real-world test of whether a digital currency can be truly decentralized and accessible to all. Can digital currency be truly accessible? Can it break down the barriers to entry and empower individuals from all walks of life? The answer so far? Yes. The Pi network is demonstrating that it is possible to create a digital currency that is both accessible and inclusive. Pi is for everyone, not just the elite. It's a currency for the people, by the people, designed to empower individuals and communities. The real power isn't just in the tech. It's not about the complex algorithms or the sophisticated infrastructure, but in the people who show up every day, the pioneers who are committed to building a better financial future for themselves and their communities. Imagine a tribe, a community of like-minded individuals who are working together towards a common goal, where every member matters and contributes, where everyone has a voice and a stake in the outcome. That's the vision, a future where digital currency is accessible to all, regardless of their background or resources, a digital currency for the masses, a currency that empowers individuals and communities to participate in the global economy. Pi's mission is to give everyone, regardless of their location or socioeconomic status, a fair shot at the future of finance, to level the playing field and create a more equitable financial system. It's not about who has the most gear, the most powerful computers, or the deepest pockets, but who's willing to participate, who's willing to show up every day and contribute to the network. The Pi network is building a new kind of tribe, a global community of pioneers who are committed to building a more inclusive financial future. One that's open, inclusive, and global. A network that welcomes everyone, regardless of their background or experience. The game has changed, the rules are being rewritten, and a new era of digital finance is dawning. And the tribe has spoken. They've made it clear that they want a more equitable and accessible financial system. They want a new way to play, a way that empowers them to participate in the digital economy and build a better future for themselves and their communities. This is digital money, a new form of currency that is designed to be more accessible, inclusive, and equitable. Reimagined for everyone. A currency that is designed to empower individuals and communities around the world. The future of finance is now in the hands of the many, empowered by technology and united by a shared vision. Not the few, it's a future where everyone has the opportunity to participate and benefit from the digital economy. When your tribe grows, you need structure. Enter the Pi Bank, the digital campfire at the heart of the Pi network. It's not a traditional bank but a stabilizing force for the community. The Pi Bank manages the flow of Pi, sets clear rules, and builds trust. It's part referee, part treasurer, and part rulebook. Transactions are overseen, supply is managed, and chaos is kept at bay. For pioneers, the Pi Bank means confidence, knowing their Pi is protected. Without it, the Pi economy would be chaos. The Pi Bank turns a crowd into a community and a game into a real economy. It's the immunity idol against instability. Pi isn't just playing, it's building a digital nation. Trust is everything in digital currency. The Pi Bank is the network's tribal council where rules are clear and enforced. It sets governance protocols, ensuring fair play and security. Standards for transactions keep bad actors out. KYC, Know Your Customer, verifies every pioneer is real, no bots, no fakes. This builds massive trust and sets Pi apart from anonymous projects. Strong governance means long-term survival. The Pi Bank gives pioneers confidence in their currency's future. It turns a simple app into a serious economic system. With clear rules and real identities, Pi is building a digital society that lasts. The Pi Bank is the foundation for a thriving, trusted community. Let's delve into the fascinating concept of the global consensus value in the Pi network. The figure that often surfaces is $314,159 per Pi, a number that sparks curiosity and discussion within the Pi community. In many ways, the global consensus value is like a hidden immunity idol, a symbol of collective aspiration and potential. It's important to understand that this number wasn't arbitrarily set by the core team behind Pi Network. Instead, it emerged organically, driven by the collective sentiment and consensus of the community itself. It reflects the shared vision of what Pi could become. The choice of this particular number is also significant. It's a nod to the mathematical constant pi, a number that represents infinity and endless possibilities. It's more than just a random figure, it's a symbol of high hopes and the potential for Pi to reach unprecedented heights. It's crucial to remember that the GCV isn't an official, guaranteed price for Pi. Rather, it represents a collective belief in Pi's potential, a shared understanding of its possible future value. Many pioneers, the early adopters and active participants in the Pi network, and vendors within the Pi ecosystem, are already using this GCV as a reference point for trades and transactions. The real power of GCV lies in its ability to foster unity within the Pi community. It anchors expectations, providing a common ground for discussions about value, and it motivates the tribe to work towards a shared goal. It's a grassroots movement, a bottom-up approach to value creation. The Pi community is building value from the inside out, organically growing its ecosystem and utility. Ultimately, the final market price of Pi will be determined by the global market forces of supply and demand. However, the GCV has already played a crucial role in uniting the community around a shared vision. Like an idol, its strength comes from the collective belief of the community, a testament to the power of shared aspirations. And with that strong foundation, it could very well change the game for digital currencies. No one wins alone, alliances matter. For Pi, that means building a thriving ecosystem of apps and services. The Pi Bank is the bridge, helping developers and businesses join the network. It provides the tools and rules for secure, stable transactions. As more apps join, Pi's utility and value grow. The Pi Bank ensures every new addition strengthens the tribe. It's the planning committee for a growing digital village. Managed expansion keeps the ecosystem safe and functional. By vetting new apps, the Pi Bank builds a diverse, secure world for pioneers. It's the architect of Pi's future. The final vote is near, a pivotal moment for the Pi network. The community's decision will shape the future direction of this innovative digital currency. Every vote counts as we approach this critical juncture. Open Mainnet is coming. This highly anticipated phase represents a significant leap forward for Pi, marking its transition to a fully functional and independent blockchain. It's the dawn of a new era for Pi Network, This is when Pi connects to the wider world, establishing links with other blockchain networks and digital ecosystems. The global reach of Pi will expand exponentially, fostering greater collaboration and interoperability, and faces the open market. This exposure will bring both opportunities and challenges, as Pi navigates the complexities of the global financial landscape. Pi could be listed on exchanges, making it accessible to a broader audience of investors and traders. This increased liquidity could drive further adoption and growth of the Pi network, traded for other currencies. This will allow users to seamlessly convert Pi into other forms of value, enhancing its utility and real-world applications. The Pi Bank's role will be crucial in managing this transition, ensuring a smooth and secure integration into the global financial system. Its governance and strong internal economy will defend against volatility, providing a stable foundation for the Pi network to thrive in the long term. For now, the focus is on building utility, expanding the Pi ecosystem and creating real-world use cases for the currency. More apps, enriching the Pi network with a diverse range of applications and services. More services. These offerings will cater to the needs of the Pi community and attract new users to the network. The core team is patient, demonstrating a commitment to sustainable growth and long-term success. Aiming for long-term value, not hype. This strategic approach will ensure the stability and resilience of the Pi network in the face of market fluctuations. The Pi Bank supports this growth one transaction at a time, facilitating seamless and secure exchanges within the Pi ecosystem. The real test will be the global market's response, as Pi enters the arena of established cryptocurrencies and traditional financial systems. Pioneers can expect more development and a continued focus on security, safeguarding their assets, and ensuring the integrity of the Pi network. The goal turned potential into reality, transforming the Pi network from a concept into a tangible and impactful force in the global economy, and prove a people-powered currency can succeed, demonstrating the power of decentralized finance and community-driven innovation. The world is watching as Pi nears its biggest moment, poised to revolutionize the way we think about digital currency and its potential to empower individuals around the globe. Pi is playing the long game, outwitting, outplaying, and outlasting. It's building a massive, engaged community before hitting the open market. The Pi Bank is the pillar of trust and governance. Every tap is a vote of faith in a new financial future. The GCV is more than a number, it's a symbol of unity and belief. Pi's greatest asset is its community-driven spirit. With vision numbers and strong governance, Pi is ready for the future. The journey will have challenges, but the tribe is strong and united. The torches are burning bright. Pi's tribe is ready to outlast and thrive.